In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter your search results by a date range. This is a simple way to narrow down results so you only see the most relevant and timely information, whether you're reviewing recent updates, looking back at last month's activity, or focusing on a specific day. We'll start at the search bar. Look for a small down arrow attached to it, often on the right side of the field or just inside the box. Clicking this arrow opens an options menu that lets you refine what you're searching for. If you don't see it right away, hover your mouse around the search bar. The arrow is sometimes subtle. Give it a click to expand the menu. In the menu that appears, locate the option labeled Date Within Range. This is the filter that limits results to the time frame you care about. You might see a text field, a dropdown, or a compact date picker. The label is your guide. Date Within Range is what you're looking for. Now decide whether a preset or a custom range is best for your task. Presets like past week, past month, or today are perfect when you want quick, commonly used windows. They're fast, consistent, and save you from manually picking dates. If a preset matches what you need, select it and you're done with this step. If you need something more precise, choose Custom Range. A calendar will open so you can set exact start and end dates. Click your start date first, then your end date. Most calendars will highlight the selected range, so it's clear what you've chosen. If you need to move between months, use the small arrows at the top of the calendar to navigate, then select the dates as needed. Take a second to confirm that the start date is the earliest day you want and the end date is the last day you want included. Once your date range is selected, either by choosing a preset or setting a custom range, click the search button. This applies your filter and refreshes the results to match the time frame you've specified. Give the results a quick glance to ensure they reflect the period you intended. If they don't, simply return to the same menu and adjust your dates using the exact steps you just followed. That's all there is to it. Click the down arrow in the search bar, find the Date Within Range field, choose a preset or set a custom range with the calendar, and click Search. With this approach, you'll spend less time sifting and more time finding exactly what you need.